Here's how to get Google Play Store on Nintendo Switch. The Nintendo Switch does not officially support the Google Play Store, so you cannot install it directly through the system settings or Nintendo eShop. However, you can use a DNS workaround to access Google through the Switch's internet connection. First, open System Settings from the Nintendo Switch home screen. Scroll down and select Internet, then choose Internet Settings. Select the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to and choose Change Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings and change the setting from automatic to manual. Now select Primary DNS and replace the existing address with the DNS address being displayed. Save the settings and select Connect to this network when prompted. Once the connection is established, open the connection's registration or browser prompt. The DNS service can redirect you to a web page where you can access Google. From there, search for Google Play Store and open the available web version if one is provided. That's all for this video. Thanks.